If someone else needs to take control of your Google business profile, whether you're selling your business, handing it over to a partner, or simply moving it to a different account, there's a specific process you need to follow, and most people get it wrong. I'm Olaf from MarketlyX, and transferring ownership of a Google business profile is something we handle regularly for clients, because getting it wrong or doing it too late creates unnecessary complications at the worst possible time. In this video, I will show you step by step how to transfer primary ownership of your Google business profile to someone else. Let's start with the tutorial. The first thing you need to do is open your browser and log into the Google account connected to your Google business profile. Make sure that you are logged into the Google account that is the primary owner of the profile, not just an owner or manager. Once you are logged in, go to business.google.com. At this stage, you will see one of two things. If you land on a page showing a Businesses tab, select the profile you want to manage. If you are taken directly to your business profile dashboard, you can continue. Once you are inside your profile dashboard, click the three dots in the middle of the screen, and from the drop-down menu, select Business Profile Settings. Then select People and Access, and at this point, pause for a moment. Here you will see everyone who currently has access to your profile. Carefully review every single account including your own and delete those that shouldn't have access. If the person you want to transfer ownership to isn't on this list yet, you will first need to add them and then wait 7 days before the transfer becomes available. To add them, simply click on the Add button, then enter their Google account email in here. Now choose the account you want to add, set the role to owner and click Invite. They will receive now an email with a button to accept the invitation. First, once they have accepted, the 7-day countdown starts. If the person you want to add is already on the list, click on their account, then click on Access, then select Primary Owner and click Save. In most cases, the transfer will be done directly and your account will be downgraded to Owner. You won't lose access to the profile, but you will no longer be the primary owner. As you can see, the process itself is simple. The main thing that catches people off guard is that 7-day waiting period. So if you know a transfer is coming, add the new owner to the profile as early as possible and give yourself enough time before the handover date. If you would like to get more guidance on optimizing or managing your profile, we have included useful resources, tools and links in the description below. And if you would like to get expert help, you will find details on how to work with us there as well. Otherwise, check out our Google Business Profile playlist for step-by-step tutorials that walk you through the entire process. See you soon.